you know where emotions come from? Over 100 years ago, 6 brothers began to build engines in their small workshop in Italy. They were the Benelli brothers. Our story begins only when they realized that it was not just their hearts that had to run. Riding the Benelli Motoleggera 125 Sport, Tonino Benelli started to collect victories all around Europe. In the mid-30s, the Benelli brothers moved to a new house, in which to create their timeless masterpieces. The pioneering and victories have echoed through every Benelli motorcycle until today. We are promoting the research in engineering and design to reach new fans around the world. And today, being part of a global player like create new generations of motorcycles, which look to the future and keep the strong and powerful Benelli heritage alive. The legend of yesterday in the motorcycle for today. All this you feel when you ride a Benelli motorcycle. So this is where emotions come from.